The called Party Temporarily Unavailable error is one of the most frustrating issues Verizon customers encounter. This message appears when the person you're trying to call cannot receive your call due to various network or device-related problems. This error occurs due to four main categories of problems: network congestion when cell towers are overloaded, device connectivity issues like poor signal strength, carrier routing problems between network segments, and SIM card malfunctions that prevent proper authentication. Recent network developments have significantly impacted error frequency. Verizon's aggressive 5G rollout and enhanced voice-over LTE implementation have introduced new compatibility challenges, particularly affecting older devices during network transitions. Now let's address immediate solutions. There are four primary troubleshooting steps you can take right away, each with proven success rates based on recent customer service data. Step 1. Toggle airplane mode. This forces your device to reconnect to the network and has a 40% immediate success rate. Simply turn airplane mode on, wait 10 seconds, then turn it back off. Step 2. Reseat your SIM card. Remove the SIM card from your device, wait a few seconds, then reinsert it firmly. This resolves authentication issues and has a 35% success rate. Step 3. Manually select your network operator. Go to Settings, Cellular, Network Selection, and choose Verizon manually instead of automatic. This has a 30% success rate and helps with routing issues. Step 4. Restart your device completely. A full power cycle clears temporary software glitches and has a 25% success rate. Hold the power button and follow your device's restart procedure. Signal strength is crucial for preventing these errors. Your signal should ideally be above -100 dBm for reliable calls. Anything below -100 dBm significantly increases the likelihood of connection failures. When basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve the called Party Temporarily Unavailable error, the issue often requires more advanced solutions. Modern network problems are increasingly software-related rather than hardware-based. One of the most effective advanced solutions is updating your carrier settings. These updates contain important network configuration information that helps your device communicate properly with Verizon's network infrastructure. Verizon is implementing cutting-edge technologies to prevent these errors from occurring. Artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms now predict network issues before they cause service interruptions, while edge computing reduces call setup delays. By 2026, Verizon plans to implement network slicing technology and satellite integration. Network slicing will create dedicated channels specifically for voice calls, eliminating congestion-related errors. Satellite coverage will fill remaining gaps in rural areas. If problems persist despite these troubleshooting steps, contact Verizon support directly. Network-side interventions are sometimes necessary, particularly in rural areas where infrastructure limitations require specialized solutions from the carrier's technical team. Industry experts emphasize that modern network errors are increasingly software-related rather than hardware issues. Keeping your device software and carrier settings updated is crucial for preventing these problems and ensuring optimal network performance.